Hello there, friends. Good day, good day. I hope your day's as good as mine. Heading out to Lake Mead, actually Hoover Dam, and then Lake Mead. But before we do that, we decided to stop for a bite. So here I am having a little bite before we head out there, and so I'll catch you out at Hoover Dam. All right, see you in a bit. So hello there, friends again. Just got my breakfast. Today I'm having a healthy, let's bring that down a little bit here so you can see. I'm having a healthy bacon and avocado omelet. A little bit too rich, but I'm just gonna splurge today. So that's what I'm having for breakfast at late in the evening. That's how we roll sometimes. So catch my fill now and be heading out to Lake Mead as I mentioned earlier. So cheers. See you in a bit.
And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work.
Hey guys, we're passing through Boulder City, heading towards the Hoover Dam. Boulder City is a very small place. A very small city for that matter. Originally, when Hoover Dam was built, the whole idea of developing this city was for the workers building the dam to be close by. So this is Boulder City, small little town.
And even if my pocket's empty, I don't really want to go to work. No, no, no. It is so sweet under the sun. I'm gonna take my time, 'cause I don't really want to go to work. Got up this morning, look around and see the sun high. Grab my bag and take my phone. I shut the door and walk into the light. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this is the view, and this view heading to Lake Mead and the Service Road. Of course, at this point you have a bypass that is built. So most of the highway traffic now uses the bypass. This was the road before the bypass, and this takes you right into Lake Mead. So you're having the view for Lake Mead. I will touch on Lake Mead a little bit later after the view of the Hoover Dam. This is what you're looking at right now, the Lake Mead. Hi guys. I got the real view of Lake Mead, and like I said, later on I'll touch base a little more info on this particular area.
Will your mind follow your body? Oh, when you try to be someone else. Oh yeah, will your soul ever be ready? When you try to be someone else. If you jump the train, be sure to know the way. Do not blind yourself, drift away from reality. You see, everything has a purpose in this world. So won't you lose it? Try to use it. You don't wanna miss your turn. So will your mind follow your body? When you try to be someone else. Oh yeah, will your soul ever be ready? When you try to be someone else. If you wanna last, be sure to lead the day. 'Cause if you hide yourself, you'll miss out on opportunities. You see, everything is connected in this world. So to abuse it, try to use it. You don't wanna miss your turn. So look around and feel it's a gift you've gotta use. Look around and see it's a gift not to abuse. See, every living soul has the right to feel free all around. But you lose it, try to use it. You don't wanna miss your turn. So will your mind follow your body?
Hey guys, so this is the beautiful view of the canyon prior to the bypass, which in earlier video you'll see we actually went on the bypass just to give you a glimpse, and then returned back to the canyon road, which was the original road taking you to Arizona. It's really beautiful. Alright guys, so now we're heading towards Lake Mead, the actual Lake Mead itself. We were thwarted from visiting the actual Hoover Dam because of the cocoa thing. You know, cocoa thing like the Jamaican cocoa tea. So change of plans. Here we are heading towards Lake Mead. where you'll have a better view. Hopefully, we're able to enter the actual location, unless it's the same situation as we just faced at the Hoover Dam, with no access due to cocoa. So we'll see. Hi folks, welcome back. As I mentioned earlier, I may not have mentioned that our trip to the Hoover Dam was thwarted, simply because of the cocoa thing. And by the way, if you don't know what cocoa tea is, it's a Jamaican tea that is made from the actual chocolate. The same thing that produces cocoa, only that cocoa tea is in a raw form. Anyway, like I mentioned, our trip was thwarted simply because the dam is closed. So that's for another day. But here we are, Lake Mead, and this is giving you the full view of Lake Mead. So I hope you enjoy the view.
Be someone try to hold you down. Just forget about it now. Follow your passion, follow your dreams, even if it flows upstream. It takes a strong soul to live in this world. It takes a strong soul to go deeper. It takes a strong love to go through this madness. It takes a strong love to go through all of it, through all of it. Cry. One day you'll learn to fly through the wind, through the storm. One day you'll fly alone. Oh, 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 oh.